Why is vitamin D so important? Do you know why vitamin D is so crucial for the human body? If not, watch this video till the end. Vitamin D helps perform some of the core functions of our body, and if you happen to have little to no vitamin D, your body will experience some serious issues, including full body pain, fatigue, muscle weaknesses, such as trouble walking and lifting heavier objects, among other symptoms. Note that these symptoms can also be a result of some other underlying conditions, as there are various diseases with similar symptoms. But if you are experiencing the same symptoms, the chances are that it is due to vitamin D deficiency. So please go to your doctor to get it checked out. Why vitamin D is so important? One of the primary functions of vitamin D is that it bonds with calcium, making it a very powerful and essential compound for our bones. It helps strengthen your bones and safeguards them against fracture, loss of bone density, osteoporosis, and even rickets. It also works in tandem with the parathyroid gland to control the production of calcium levels in your bloodstream. It is necessary that you have an optimum level of both calcium and vitamin D in your blood. If any one of them is low in numbers, then it would trigger the parathyroid gland to extract the amount of vitamin D or calcium it needs from your skeleton, leading to loss of bone density. This is often the reason behind the loss of bone density in many people. Symptoms of vitamin D deficiency in details. If the level of active vitamin D severely goes down, severe symptoms will start to show up, and if they are not dealt with, your health will be at serious risk. Here are some signs and symptoms that you should look out for. 1. Rickets in children. 2. Pain in your bones. 3. Fatigue. 4. Muscle weakness, sore muscles, muscle aches and cramps. 5. Mood shifts and even depression. Causes of vitamin D deficiency. Number 1. Liver and kidney diseases. Vitamin D is not always active in our body, and there's a significant quantity of inactive vitamin D in our body. Particular enzymes in our body change the state of vitamin D to be active so our body can't use it, but liver and kidney diseases can severely stop the production of such an enzyme. Number 2. Obesity. Obesity is one of the most common diagnoses for vitamin D deficiency, and for good reasons. A body mass index that is higher than 30 would mean there's a significant level of fat cells in your body, which will isolate the active vitamin D and prevent it from being used by the body. Number 3. Weight loss surgery. Those who go through weight loss surgeries that involve reducing the stomach or bypassing parts of the small intestine are likely to be a victim of vitamin D deficiency. These surgeries make it difficult for our body to extract enough nutrients from our body, including vitamin D. Number 4. Cystic fibrosis, Crohn's disease, and celiac disease. These diseases restrict your intestines from absorbing vitamin D from your body. While these are some of the major contributing factors that lead to vitamin D deficiency, but other factors such as age, skin color, breast milk in infants, and mobility can also contribute to the overall deficiency of vitamin D. Benefits of taking vitamin D-rich foods or supplements. Vitamin D has multiple functions in our body. Let's go through the 7 major functions of vitamin D in detail. Number 1. Healthy bones. As you know by now, vitamin D works with the parathyroid gland to maintain and regulate the production of calcium in your body. What you don't know yet is that it is also responsible for phosphorus production in your blood. Both phosphorus and calcium, along with healthy vitamin D levels, will ensure your body is healthy too and free of any symptoms. Number 2. Reduced risk of flu. In the year 2018, a study was published that suggested that an optimal level of vitamin D can help protect against particular flu of influenza virus. This study sparked a debate about the factors of vitamin D that could protect against the flu. A couple of studies was conducted on the 2018 study to see if they could also find a similar result, but in vain, and more research will be needed on this. Number 3. It fights diseases. Studies suggest that a healthy level of vitamin D in your body can help fight a multitude of diseases, such as reducing the risk of developing multiple sclerosis, reducing the risk factors of developing heart diseases and such. The studies that show these results were conducted by the Journal of American Medical Association, the Circulation, and American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Number 4. Healthier infants. The American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology conducted a study. They found evidence suggesting that vitamin D deficiency could lower the allergen-specific antibodies, leading to mild to severe allergic reactions and sensations. It also helps reduce the risk of developing asthma, leading to an overall healthier child. Number 5. It reduces depression. People with vitamin D deficiency tend to develop mood swings, which can then slowly turn into a full-scale depression. When you have the correct vitamin D levels, you tend to have much lower mood swings, reducing the chances of developing depression. Number 6. Healthier pregnancy. While doctors already advise pregnant women to take vitamin supplements, new studies have discovered things can get a lot serious in vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D deficiency is known to cause preeclampsia and preterm birth, but results of the 2019 study coming in, we now know it can cause gestation diseases and bacterial vaginosis. Number 7. Boosts natural weight loss. The British Journal of Nutrition conducted a study, and they divided the participants into two groups. One group got a dose of calcium and vitamin D, while the other group got a placebo treatment. When the groups started doing exercises and their given treatments, the group that got the real vitamin D and calcium treatment was able to lose more weight than the other group. Remember that our skin can naturally produce vitamin D when sunlight hits our skin, so don't forget to go out every once in a while without any sunscreen. So, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please tap the thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep watching Think Good.